Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a fog light bulb on this Mitsubishi Outlander. The car went for the MOT and it's failed on MOT, so that's what we're going to change. So basically it's got a clip here and the clips here. So this is the bulb here, so we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. And then pull it out. So it's a push fit 12 volt bulb. Okay friends, that was the old bulb. You can see it's all cracked, so we're gonna replace it with the new one. There we go, that's the new bulb. I'm just gonna try it before I put the light back. Okay, there we go, it's working fine. So just gonna line up the grooves and then twist it clockwise, and that's how you fit the bulb. There we go. And it's a push fit, so you line up the clips and then push it in. There we go. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.